Alright guys, it's finally here. I'm pumped. Oh, wow. Oh my god, guys. Wow. This is exciting. This is the 27-inch iMac. It has the Radeon Pro 5700 XT graphics card with 16 gigabytes of memory, which I'm gonna need for some gaming action. I updated that and I gave it 2 terabytes of storage because my laptop was running out of space and I could not handle it. I did not boost the RAM, even though I need RAM, because Apple wants to charge $2,600 for 128 gigabytes of RAM when you could just get 128 gigabytes of RAM for about $500. So I would have paid $2,600 when I could just put this in myself, and I'll show you guys how a little bit later in this video. But first, let's get to the main event. Let's unbox this beauty, this beautiful iMac 27-inch 5K display. Yes! Apple makes it perfectly easy with their lift and pedal. Oh, it was amazing. Yes. My heart's pumping. I have like butterflies. I'm really excited for this. Oh, it's in there. Hi. Hello. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's see what's in here, guys. Designed by Apple in California, darling. Yes. Oh, the keyboard. I get the keyboard with the numeric pad because I love the full arrow key setup. I just love the real long actual keyboard much better. If you see on the laptop, it has like the small spacing. It's abysmal. But I love this keyboard, and because I'm used to the MacBook Pro, I did do the Magic Trackpad as opposed to the Magic Mouse. I think the trackpad is so cool. It has so many more features. It works just like the touchscreen panel on your mobile phone or your iPad. So yeah, let's see what else is in here real quick as we're unboxing. Ooh, sorry y'all, I'm just really pumped for this, and I've been waiting a long time, and now I can really take these videos to the next level, so I'm really excited. And thank you guys so much for always tuning in and supporting me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, darling. And ring that bell because I'm always bringing out new content. What's in here? Oh, little welcome to your iMac, little Apple stickers, a cleaning cloth for your display. Yep, we're gonna protect that. You get a USB to Lightning charger for your keyboard and your Magic Trackpad as they charge with Lightning. I don't think there's anything else in here. Nope, just beautiful, nice, thick packaging. Oh, that packaging is thick. Ow. This is gonna be something, isn't it? Okay. All right. Let's get you out of here. Oh, look at how beautiful you are. You are so beautiful. Ooh, to me. And here she is, the actual computer. Isn't she beautiful? Just look at how, oh, let's take this off. Let's take this off. Let's see your true beauty. Not just your shape, honey. I want to see all of it. Take it off. Take it off, girl. You hold now. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Yes, yes. Actually, in case I ever do any type of traveling and I gotta take my iMac with me, yes, I will save the cloth and the box. Hunty. Yes, I have traveled with iMacs before, I don't care. Oh, look at this. It has a new 1080p full HD camera ready to capture the world around you with you in it, with a beautiful new studio quality microphone setup. Honey, you about to be in the office, okay? Yes. Oh, look. Even the back is all sealed up with sections we have to peel. Boop. And this little section back here that we're peeling off, that's where we're gonna change our RAM at. I love, oh, you're beautiful. Oh, this is cold. All right, so now we're gonna change the RAM, and that's when the scary part comes in. I hate this. Let me grab my baby. Bring me over here. Now, we have to take a blanket or towel, make sure it's soft and fine. And lay it down, because you have to place your iMac display down when we go to change the RAM. So now we grab our baby like this, and we push her down, right on the soft padding. Boom. And you're doing that so that you don't scratch your display. All right, so now we're actually gonna go in to change the RAM. We're gonna go from the 8 GB that comes pre-installed to 128 GB of RAM. Now again, this cost me about $500. Apple would have charged you $2,600. Think about that, okay? Buy your own memory, buy your own RAM. Hello? Crazy. So in order to change the RAM lives in here. We're gonna open this compartment and add our new RAM. To open this compartment, we're actually gonna push down on this button in here and push down until the hatch pops open. See how it pops open? Now, I can easily just pull them. They have like these little, it's like a pressure spring system that works out with it to keep it like locked in place. So it's actually pretty secure. Let's put that over here. Next, we're gonna go in. This is where the actual RAM is held. I'm gonna take the prongs here and pull them apart. And when I do, see how the RAM just slides up. Now, so I'm gonna jam this thing with 128 GB of RAM. That is 4 sticks of 32 GB. They are all equal in capacity, equal in power. So I'm not gonna worry about which slots I place them in. See here how they have them on dock 0 and dock 1, just to kind of help even out the power. If you're using all the slots, you don't need to do that because you're using all the slots. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna pull out this RAM. Oops. Give me a little fight here. I'm gonna pull out the RAM, and they see that this notch is off to the left over here. So now I know that when I go to place my new RAM in, I want this little notch a little bit to the left for it to actually click in place. Get the other bar of RAM out. Now this shipped with that 8 GB. Again, that's not enough, but I'm not gonna let Apple charge me thousands of dollars for RAM when I can get it for hundreds of dollars, which is still crazy to me, but whatever. And there we go. I'm gonna push. Now you don't want to push so hard where you're applying so much pressure, but you want to make sure that it locks in how the other one was locked in. See how it's like nice and firm in there? See how one is firmly in there? We'll go on to the next track. Push in, and we'll make sure you see how it clicked. That's a good click. Next baby. Bring it into the next slot. Push in. You got a good click. That means it's in there and solidified. Here. Bring the last one in. Push in. They're in place. Once they're in place, you push back until it locks back into place. Now all of your RAM is in. You're going to take that hatch with the loaded springs yet again, and you're going to push down evenly so that it, oop, these springs are crazy. Pops into place. There you go. We've now changed the RAM on the iMac. Let's peel this down. And your iMac now has 128 gigabytes of RAM. Come on, iMac. Next thing I'm gonna do is just go in, have my plug ready. I'm gonna feed it through and have it ready to go for when I'm ready to go right side up. All right, y'all, we just changed the RAM on our beautiful iMac 27-inch. I'm ready to see when this boots up. Make sure we change the RAM right. That's gonna be the ultimate test. Pressing that power button. Then I'm gonna do a little data transfer and we'll chat a little bit more about how I feel about this beautiful iMac. Wow. Color me impressed. Okay, now I'm going to unseal this. Oh, so beautiful. Unseal this. All right, y'all, so now it's gonna be the ultimate test on whether or not we did the RAM properly. So let's find our power button and hit on. There it goes. Oh, she just took a minute. I don't know why, but there she is. She's here. Hi, I'm sorry. I hope I didn't pressure you too much. Oh. Oh. Oh, wow. Yes, I'll turn it on. I'm ready. Oh. English. Whew, okay, so I'm going to migrate from my old MacBook Pro to this beautiful and amazing new iMac. Oh, look, there it is. Let's do this. Y'all, I'm freaking pumped for this. Oh my god. Oh, I can't believe I have this. Thank you so much for tuning in and for joining in, checking this out with me, for unboxing it with me, for changing out the RAM. I hope to help you if you are planning on changing your RAM or upgrading your RAM. It is so much cheaper to buy your own memory than it is to go through Apple. Again, Apple was going to charge me $2,600 for 128 gigabytes of RAM, and I paid $500 and installed it myself. That $2,600 I saved, I bumped up the graphics card to the maximum graphics card, and I gave myself 2 terabytes of storage. What? Come on. It was a great deal. Plus, I was still able to get the memory that I wanted. I freaking love it. And I just showed you guys how to change the memory. It's actually so simple. It's so easy. It's fun to do. It's a little thing you could do on your own. And now I'm having these two machines transfer data between each other so I can have all my stuff and start working right on this brand new 27-inch beauty that is right in front of me. I am so excited for this, y'all. Thank you so much for checking this out. Smash like, smash subscribe, ring that bell, comment below, let me know what you want to see. I can make it now. I can make so many more videos now. I expect to see a lot more lives, a lot more gaming videos with me actually in the video, like with the reaction cam on, especially with this beautiful, amazing full HD camera. Dude, this is perfect. I am ready to start using this beast right now. I'm pumped. Thank you guys again for joining, for watching, for making this possible. Y'all are freaking amazing. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Oh, let's get this party going. This is lit. Y'all, I'm gonna catch you guys next time. We unboxed it. We got all the accessories, everything we see in the box. Plus, we changed our own RAM. That's always very important. And let me know in the comments, y'all, if you want me to review the iMac, let you know how I'm loving it so far, because I will definitely update you guys as I use it more and get into this powerhouse of a machine. This screen is like to die for. Oh, This trackpad is so smooth. I love this. Again, this elongated keyboard. I'm here for this. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for unboxing it with me. I'll see you guys next time.